been coming to these NISCO conferences for, I'm going to tell you, 16 years or so.
I've been attending NISCO conferences for approximately 18 years.
One of the great things of us being a part of NISCO for the last 15 years or so has been the opportunity to make friends and acquaintances, both on the vendor and the dealer side. The value that we receive is immeasurable. It's so nice to be able to come here and see new products, make old friendships reignite, and be able to just have an absolute blast while being with your friends.
And you know, it's been great because when I come to these conferences, it gives me the opportunity to meet with so many of the existing customers and meet a lot of the new dealers. And I get to know a little bit more about their business, learn where their challenges are, and it helps us to become more accommodating to them and help us grow our business together.
It gives us a chance to network with other dealers and find out that our problems are kind of universal in the industry. It gives us a chance to talk to factories, factory people, factory representatives who we speak to all the time on the phone and vent whatever it is we want to vent. And as far as the overall experience, it's just been a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful thing.
The networking opportunity is what's invaluable for me, a chance to get in front of the manufacturers, talk to them about the good things. If we've ever had any issues, we get a chance to talk about it candidly, not only on the floor but in social settings. So just a good opportunity to get to know each other, develop the partnerships within the group, and we all benefit from that.